J.T. Plumber and Arnold Clambeau as Billy Piper. Tonight's episode, Plunge into Fear.
I can't believe this is happening.
Ma'am, my name's Plumber, J.T. Plumber.
Thank God you're here.
It's my assistant, Billy Piper.
Yeah?
When you called us on the phone, you mentioned a sink that was stopped up. Where exactly is that sink, ma'am?
In the kitchen.
This looks pretty bad, Plumber.
Plumber continues in a moment.
Cheese. It's good for you. Eat some today.
Now, back to
This is worse than we thought. You better stay in the back room.
I better stay in the back room too, Plumber.
Wait a minute, wait! Look at you. I know what you're feeling.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do, Billy. Look, you can stay out here, and you can whine, and you can cry, and you can blubber like a baby.
Okay.
Or you can get in there and help me unclog that sink. What's it gonna be, Billy?
What, can't I just stay out here for this one job?
Yeah, you can stay out here for this job. And then what's it gonna be next time, Billy Piper? Some leaky faucet? Or a broken washer? Or maybe some crumbling caulking around the tub? What's it gonna be, Billy? You wanna help me, you know where I'm at.
You got an extra plunger? Say, Plumber,
Yeah.
about what happened back there.
Look, just forget about it, Billy. How about helping me get this hairball out of this pipe, would you?
Sure.
Try blowing on it there.
Open up them jaws, Plumber. Open them up.
This thing's not gonna work. I'm gonna have to do it with my bare hands. All right, Billy. Give it one more good one. That ought to do it. Yes.
All right.
She's draining now. She's draining now. Good work, Billy. Let's get out of here.
Okay.
Well, ma'am, I don't think you'll be having any more problems with that sink.
God. Say, Plumber, you don't have to go so soon, do you?
Well, I guess I could stick around for a bit, ma'am.
Plumber, we gotta get over to the Anderson house. They're having that toilet problem again. You remember how bad it was last time?
He's right, ma'am. You would not have believed this toilet. It started bubbling and it was churning up these big clumps of something or other.
No, you don't have to explain it. Please.
Yeah, there I go, talking shop again. We'll see you around, man. Let's go, Billy.
Join me later tonight for Danger and Intrigue on Carl Jenkins' School Cook. Later tonight.